Hey guys, Corey here from Sky's the Limit Car Care, and today we got a really quick video for you. This is all about tips on Clarify PH2OBIC. So number one, we've already have a full video on how to apply Clariphobic and all about Clariphobic, so you can hit that in the links below. This video is going to give you my pro tips on how to apply it foolproof, streak-free, super easy to do application. Basically what I do is just apply it wet. I'm just going to spray this on here to replicate that situation, but basically if the car is still wet after your car wash, then you just take your Clariphobic with the water on there. You spritz that across it, and then you can immediately come back, spread the Clariphobic around, buff it in, buff it off, and then just come back with a separate towel and buff off anything that's left. And you can feel it right away with a lot more slickness. And that's it. You are not going to get streaks if you apply it wet like that. Super easy to do, and you can just do it during the drying process of your car wash. That's all there is to it.